Is it realistically possible to get sales on Amazon without PPC, and how? It is very realistic, and ideally that is the best way how to get sales on Amazon. Everything what we do on the Amazon sites is just to help brands gain additional market share or keep the current market share that they're not capitalizing on. So yes, it is highly possible to get sales on Amazon without PPC. That is possible if you're running outside traffic to Amazon, or if outside Amazon you already have brand recognition. Giving you one of the most recent examples, a brand that we just take on 2 months ago. Most of the brands that we are managing already have lots of external traffic. What we are very careful for those brands is making sure that they are going to still show off for their branded searches, because competitors are attacking us and they want to show off our brand name, right? So it's possible for you to make sales without Amazon PPC ads. Basically what they are, think of it as what do you want to keep and how much more do you want to take? Because that is how we're using Amazon PPC. If you already perform well without ads, that means with ads and some optimization when it comes to creatives, you're going to make even more money. If you don't have that, but already have brand recognition, you want to protect your brand name. It's a controversial topic that people are talking about. If you have a position on it, it makes sense for people to consider you. This was mean, but I did not meant it, not necessarily that mean. It's really, you have to protect your brand name. We have a strategy called Conquer. We are going to take away your market share. It's dog eats dog, and especially on Amazon, when you know that, hey, I worked so hard on this business, now I have to make the customer that I gained throughout these years are going to stick with me. We are going to run for those branded search keywords. Let me know if that helps.